One of the most fun parts about smoking food in your own backyard is getting inspired by new ingredients. So today we're diving into smoking dino ribs. This is a really fun cut. Let's get to it. Prep dino ribs by trimming off any excess fat caps so the seasonings will absorb better. And then you want to score on both sides with a knife, which will also help the seasonings get in there as it cooks. These are some really thick, meaty ribs. For a simple binder, I like to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil rubbed all over the ribs and 2 tablespoons barbecue rub as the seasoning. You can use whatever barbecue rub you'd like. This is a really fun place to experiment without going nuts and having to create your own. Now there is a couple step process to smoking dino ribs, and the first one is to smoke them at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours. I recommend using a strong smoke flavor like mesquite or hickory. After 4 hours, I like to mix half a cup beef broth with 1 tablespoon barbecue sauce in a pan, and then I put that over the dino ribs. But what I do is I wrap them in some butcher paper. You could also use a foil tray. So drizzle the liquid on top to help them braise and become tender, and finish smoking dino ribs at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 90 minutes. Now, I really like them fall apart or pull apart done, so I take them out when the internal temperature is about 202 degrees Fahrenheit, and then that's not it. There is one last step, which is to rest the ribs wrapped in a cooler for at least an hour to continue tenderizing them. When you're ready to serve, just cut off each individual rib, push them off the bone if you'd like, and enjoy. You can get my free barbecue book at sipbyko.com, and you can print recipes like this there too. Till next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!